Now let's talk about how you can change the back button on your iPhone, and let's get into it. So technically the iPhone doesn't really have a back button because we only have like this. We used to have the home button, of course, but right now you just swipe to return home. However, the back button is technically implemented into various apps. Like if you get inside of the settings and you just go deeper and deeper, eventually you have the back button in the top left corner, which you can use to return back to the previous page. But you can also just use your finger to slide it across the screen like that, and you can return using gestures. Also, some different apps like Safari, for example, also have the back button, but you can see that I currently have it at the bottom this time, but it still kind of works the same way. It is always somewhere integrated into the software experience. And if you want to change it, well, you can use the gesture approach as I've shown you by sliding the finger across the screen. Or you can also just add the assistive touch toggle, but it's not gonna be that useful. It really depends on what you really need it for, because there is the assistive touch like a floating button which you can add, and perhaps there you can use the home button, right? So you have like a different way of returning back to the home screen if you really wanted to. But yeah, it depends. So yeah, most definitely let me know below in the comments if you have some specific scenario or use case which you are thinking of but just can't get it to work. Then perhaps we can take a look at it. But that's gonna be about it from me. Subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future uploads.